Hey, AP students, it's a new week, new distance learning. This is our third week of this. Can you believe it? It's kind of crazy. It's only felt like about 3 years. Anyway, so I can't wait to see you guys again, whenever that's going to be. Hopefully after May 4th. I hope we can have class again. But we're going to get you ready for our online test that you're going to be taking at home, and we have to get ready for Unit 1 to finish it up and get into Unit 2. So let's look at what we are doing for today. Our agenda, pretty much, let's just do a quick review of everything we have to turn in because it's all due tonight. So number 1, your notes for Unit 1 review from the Heimler video should be done. That is the first thing that needs to be done. So let's take a look at that right there. These are your notes right here. All of these boxes should be filled in. You are now typing your notes. If you hand wrote them for whatever reason, take pictures of them and email them to me. If you put them in a different document, send that document, okay? I'm going to show you where to turn these in momentarily on turnitin.com. So make sure you've typed in here. These notes are worth 10 points. If for whatever reason you have not gotten those notes yet, let's say you're a little behind, it's okay, we'll get you caught up. What you are going to need to do is go to Unit 1 under Review Time, and we have our link. There's the Google Doc, and for our Unit 1, and you can click on, same thing there, and you can fill your notes in right there. So that is what needs to be done first. Your notes need to be done. Number 2 is Flipgrid, which most of you did. Not everybody, but most of you got that done. So Flipgrid, you are supposed to play the quiz game, which is located right here, all the codes and everything. And you are supposed to go to Flipgrid and make a short video giving your impressions, what you thought of the quiz game. Okay, so that was your second homework assignment, and that is also being graded. You get 3 points for doing that. If you did it, gave basically your good feedback, you're getting those 3 points. So that's 13 points of your standard right there. Now, the same document here where you took your notes, you're going to turn in. So your SAQs need to be typed, and it makes sense to type our SAQs now because this is going to be a test you take at home. So you will be typing, which means that if you're doing all your homework on your phone and you need a tablet, talk to Crystal Ray as soon as possible. If you want something to type with, like a laptop, and you don't have one to take this test, tell me immediately. Send me an email. I'll get a hold of Sister Mary. I'll get a hold of Miss Bird. We will do what we can so when you take this test, you have a good device to type with. It's a big deal. We want you to get those college credits. Now, what needs to be done here? Type your SAQ answers, A, B, and C right there. And you are also to go to our, we have a discussion going there. I'll cut that out. Our group SAQ and LEQ, where it looks like not everyone got done, but most of you got done and did an outstanding job filling out your graphic organizer. Now, if you're stuck and don't have ideas, there is nothing wrong with going to the group graphic organizer, reading it, going over it, and seeing what other people are putting down. As long as you write your own original responses, that is all good. All right, so also, we need our LEQ down here, as we've written before. Our LEQ question is stated there, and that needs to be typed and typed into here. And this is due 11:59 on Monday. So you're probably watching this on Monday. Maybe you're watching this on Sunday because I posted this late Sunday night. But this is for Monday, and this needs to be done by 11:59. And where do you turn it in? I'm glad you asked that question. So you turn it in on turnitin.com. So we have our AP History class right there. And we have Unit 1 Review, Notes, SAQ, and LEQs. These are all on one document that you copied, and then you put your name on it, and then you turn it in right here. And that is where you will turn in your notes, your SAQ, and LEQ, which can all be in this Unit 1 document. All right, one other announcement. If you are still struggling and you have questions or you want to make this better, at 2 o'clock on Monday, 2 o'clock on Monday. I've already sent the emails out, or you can just click on this link right here. You don't even have to have gotten an email. If you just click on this link right here, we are having an online Zoom discussion. You can ask any questions that you have, and I will do my best to answer those. And we can try to find out the best way to get your SAQ and LEQ done. Something else you can do. You have many friends in this class. You have many great people to work with. Send your Unit 1 review and your SAQ to them. Have them grade it. Grade theirs. The more eyes you get on your paper, the better it goes. And if you're wondering, well, why should I do that? This is one of the best strategies you can have to be successful in college. Have other people read your work before you turn it in. Get it revised, because a college professor is not going to read your paper and say, oh, here's what you need to change. It doesn't work that way. You need to be able to work independently. And if you can do that, you will be successful in college. So I would look at all this online learning as a chance for you to show that you are ready for college. If you keep up with everything, you get your work done, you can balance your schedule, even though it's hard to wake up on time, even though maybe you have to go to a job, maybe you have to do more things around the house. If you can do all that and keep up on the schedule, you are ready for the university, which is awesome. So also, 45-minute test. We're doing unit reviews already. We have been the masters of doing the course online with the website and everything. We have an advantage. We can get a lot of you passed. I'm looking at getting 70% or more passed is the goal. I know you guys can do it. I have a lot of confidence in you. All right. So I highly encourage you at 2 o'clock to come to the online discussion. And I want to talk about these with you, hear your ideas. And just, I don't even mind if we just talk and see how you guys are doing a little bit as well, because I'd like to see you and hear your voices. All right, I miss you guys. I'll admit it. I do. All right. So hope your families are well. Hope you guys are well. And if there's any questions, email me, leave comments. All of that definitely works. All right. I will see you guys a little bit later. 11:59, your assignment is due. Oh, forgot one thing. Almost forgot. Here is the link for the Unit 2 review guide. The notes, only the notes from listening to Steve Heimler, pausing it, filling out the boxes. The notes for Unit 2 are due on Tuesday at 11:59. So tomorrow I'm going to have probably a short little video for you. I'll probably link our where we went over Unit 2 in our notes with our big shared Google Doc, and maybe have some kind of like flip grid question or something. So pay attention tomorrow. Go to the website and see what we do as well. And we'll have a plan for spring break coming up too as well. It's not going to be as much as it was going to be before because we're already into review, but there is going to be a bit of spring break homework to keep us sharp. You guys are awesome. I will hopefully see you soon and hopefully see you in our conversation at 2 o'clock on Monday, 2 p.m. All right. I'll see you guys. Talk to you later.